Okay, so this is the easiest way to meal prep your chicken bodybuilding style. So, exhibit A, this is fine quality. So, organic chicken breasts. Yes, that is a little bit pricey, even though the price isn't on there. You are what you eat though, so the better quality the food, the more you enjoy it. So, with chicken, there's two options. You can either like dice it up, or you can like cut it in half, or use butterfly it. That's the one. So what I'm going to do is to get some more seasoning in there, I'm going to chop it up. So I'm going to dice it, mix it with, and this is Portuguese chicken seasoning. Very similar to like Nando's, but this is Robertson's, like a South African company. So ideally, you'd probably leave this to season for a little while. However, we're just going to mix it straight up. You actually see it's decent quality chicken because there's no crap on it. Okay. Very simple, it's about 30 seconds. To decent chunks. One reason that I like to dice the chicken rather than do it as a whole breast is if you're trying to do like a set weight, then it's easier. Obviously, if you batch cooking, which I would normally do a little bit more than this, you can then spread it out across the meals, rather than if it's a whole breast, you're having to try and break up each individual breast. So generally trying to cut the chicken up into diced makes it easier for meal prep. And put a ton of seasoning on. Just give it a little mix around. Something else we're going to add. So this is 50% less sodium salt, so it's got more. You can add a bit of this on it, add some more potassium. So I struggle to get enough salt into my food and enough potassium into your diet. And a lot of people who train a lot will struggle to get enough sodium and potassium. So I'd always suggest adding like that's called low salt in. So well worth adding. And then very simply spread said chicken across a poorly foiled pan. Job done. One hot oven. And whoop, about 25 minutes. Bish bash bosh, and this will be ready to go. Alright, anabolic chicken is done. So we're now going to try and take this bad boy out. Hopefully I haven't burnt it. It's actually not bad, I must say so myself. It's better than McDonald's chicken nuggets. And what I would normally do is, here's an easy tip. Here's one tip: if you get glass containers, don't drop them because they smash and do it, I don't know. If you can ideally use a glass container, it's much better for you because the toxics from the plastics don't leak into the food. So if you're going to be leaving food in the fridge or when you're meal prepping, try and use glass if you can do. So I've literally give these bad boys out. And now you see as it's cooked up into a batch and it's diced, that is super easy now to meal prep and split out into meals, so super convenient. In terms of that, what I would normally do is maybe do like a slightly larger portion, and then I would use that across 3 days. So you could even have, say, 3 chicken meals a day across 3 days, so you do 9 meals worth, and that's a super efficient way to prep your chicken. And in total, it's pretty banging. 25 minutes in the oven, job done, give it a try.